Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm thrilled to bring you another practical iPhone tutorial today to enhance your device's usability. In this video, we're diving into how to enable haptic touch on iPhone with iOS 18, a feature that lets you access quick actions and previews with a long press complete with tactile feedback. It's perfect for speeding up tasks like replying to messages or previewing links. We'll go through the setup step by step. I'll show you how to adjust its settings, and I'll share some tips to make it work smoothly. So let's enable haptic touch together. Stick with me for this accessibility tutorial. Alright, let's get started with enabling this feature. First, open the Settings app. It's the gear icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the app. Tap Accessibility. Then tap Touch under Physical and Motor. Scroll to Haptic Touch. Tap it and choose a speed like Fast to make long presses quicker. To test, go to your home screen, long press an app like Messages. You'll feel a vibration and a menu will appear with options like New Messages. In Safari, long press a link. You'll feel the haptic feedback and see a preview of the web page. Tap to open it. If you prefer, go back to haptic touch settings and set the speed to slow. Test again to find what suits you best. A tip: if haptic touch doesn't respond, ensure your screen protector isn't too thick, or restart your iPhone to refresh the touch settings. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments how you're using haptic touch. I'd love to hear your favorite shortcuts. See you in the next video.